So, what's up guys? Welcome for another video, and today gagamitin na natin ang ating malupitang boses, and this time, ewan ko kung magtatagalog ako English, pero feeling ko gawin na lang natin yung both. So, last video ay gumawa tayo nitong expand base, and today, today muna, hindi muna last day. Today is gumawa ako ng isang malupitang bahay. Okay, naraglag ako. So, isang malupitang bahay, gumawa ako dito. Oh my! Naraglag na naman. So, oh my. Okay. Yeah. So, dito pala, gumawa tayo ng malupitang, at wala yung armor ko. Okay, babayaan na yun. Pero ito, gumawa ko ng magandang bahay, and kinuha ko lang to dun sa village. Right there. So, itong barrel, ginawa ko lang yun. In-upgrade ko na rin yung base natin last video, pero di ko sinama to last video. So, ang gagawin natin for today is, ang weird talaga pag wala akong armor, pero ang gagawin natin for today is just mining and get good stuff. So, that's our goal for today. So, shall we start it? So, let's go! So, first step is we're gonna need some wood and a lot of stones. That's why we built the storage room last episode. So, I'm thinking about na gumawa tayo ng sky block or 1 block challenge next series. So, nung gumagawa ko niyan, and nakapunta ako sa parang isang mga cave, and nakuha tayo ng magandang gamit katulad ng golden apple, 5 irons, 12 coal, and ito, mga name tags. That is actually good. At parang hindi pa ito buo, pero that is the minor. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay, which is, okay, ewan ko kung gagawin natin, nakalimutan ko na, pero alam kong kukuha lang tayo ng maraming wood, and kung kaya, upgrade natin yung base natin na mas maganda. And so, yeah, the time lapse starts now. Actually, now. Ba't ko ginagamit yun? Oh my. So, I think this should be enough. I think this is enough. Actually, we need some... Ano pa nangyayari sa game ko? Okay, so stop muna natin yung time-lapse. Kasi ewan ko anong nangyayari dito sa mga gamit ko. First, wala akong armor. Ngayon, ganito na yung spear ko. Ba't para akong nagsishield? Pero yun, magagather tayo ng mga food. So, di ko na tayo mas tungkuandaan ko ay nakakawa ako ng marami dahil din sa isang blacksmith. And eto. Okay. This is getting weird. Ba't yung liyama?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Lama ba to? Liyama? Ay, kulay pink! Sabi ko nga yung pet, feeling ko sa behavior packs ka. Aray! Feeling ko sa packs ko ata yun. Pero ewan ko kung nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng packs. So, ang tanong natin, ba't kulay pink ang liyama? Oh my, ba't kulay pink? Why are you color pink? That is just so weird. So, please don't ban me, YouTube. I'm just gonna kill this innocent things. Better life. I'm very sorry. Oh! Hold up! Okay, that's good. Yeah, this better like it. Okay, yeah. Let's go! So, kung natatandaan nyo yung episode 1, may pangalan tayong villager na pangalan ay Bethany. So, sadly, namatay na si Bethany. And now, this is Bethany Jr. the second.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, Bethany? Okay, he said yes. Bethany the second. And Pinky. We'll call him Pinky. Kasi kulay siya. Obvious naman. Ayun lang, ang bagal niya.
هكر يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته.
Sorry, Bethany, but let's just skip him. So, nagagawin na tayo ng stuff. And, ewan ko talaga ko. Okay, bahala ka na dyan. Wait, nakunin ko lang yung sa atin. Bahala ka na dyan. Ang bagal mo. Ang bagal mo. Bagal mo. Bahala ka na dyan. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bagal mo. Okay, this is not animal abuse. Go to the nether. So, dito yung wood. I think we should actually go to the nether. Let's forget the resources and stuff because that's already okay. Let's explore. We need to find some good biome and some wood. We already got wood, so let's just try to find some ores like diamonds to mine some obsidian, and then obsidian to nether to get blaze rods and nether and stuff, and then blaze rods to end portal to ender dragon, and ender dragon to kill ender dragon, and bahala na tayo sa buhay natin. So yeah, let's just go find the game. I'm done yapping. So I'll see you guys when I find the game. Blah blah blah. So I'll see you. Basta, I'll see you. Goodbye. So guys, lahat na narating ko, hindi ko na-record. But good news! I found diamonds in this lonely in this very lonely cave, definitely very lonely cave. And secured, except pag may tumalon na mob sa taas natin. We gotta eat. Nakaka-stress talaga pag sa cave. Okay, so let's start mining. Whoa! Damn! Tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Wow! That's so good. Maybe meron pa yan. Yun! Sabi ni. Sabi na meron pa eh. Okay, so ewan ko kung magkakasya, pero diamond! So guys, let's search. This literally came from nowhere, just uprighting my brightness. Suddenly I came across this. It's a freaking chamber. Ewan ko kung papasukin natin to ngayon. So yeah, let's go. Except for extra shield and then food and 34 torch. Kaya ba natin ito? So guys, ang dami ko nahanap na diamonds, which is very good. Baka maka full diamond armor tayo, which is ito and that. So ito unang mine natin kasi ito yung ating pinakamarami. Kasi it looks marami pero feeling ko not bad na rin. Okay, so we got 4, which is we have 4 earlier. Ewan ko lang kung saan ko nalagay, dude. Yeah, so kunin lang natin itong magamit na to. And then, saan yung iba? 8. Ito, maramit ata to. 9, 10, 11. Wow. 12, 13. 13 lahat. Wow. That is actually good. And, ang maganda, nahanap ko lang siya. Okay, I can't see. Alam ko nasa taas lang yung ano natin eh. Ito. Andito lang siya, nasa ano lang natin. May base. Okay, so andyan lang yung base natin. Napakalapit lang. Ayan na yung galawan natin, oh. Okay, so ito, meron tayong 13 diamonds. Plus yung 4, ginamit ko recently. Ginamit ko yun recently kasi, you know, ewan ko saan ko ginamit and biglang nawala yung items na yun. Pero, try ko hanapin. Okay, so I found the diamonds and I accidentally dropped here pala nung ginawa ko tong bed. So, in total, we have 17. Is crazy enough. Okay, let's do that, and patapimbo. We still have how many? We used it all. Well, that's pretty good. So, we need just how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need more. Okay. Let's hunt for diamonds so we can finish this video. So, let's go. Okay, nakaharap na naman tayo ng maraming diamonds. And thankfully, wala siya masyadong dito. So, bilangan na natin itong mga diamonds na nahanap natin. So, 1, 2, and 3. Wait lang, meron pa ata. Okay, let's find this. Baka meron pa. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na kailangan natin. 6. Meron pa yan. Okay, so I think yun lang ata, 6. We still need one more, dude. Okay, so this time, di ko na ipakat para approve talaga na ano. Wow, okay. So, para talaga may pruweba tayo na ano. Ako talaga maghahanap. So, yeah. Ito time-lapse ko na lang ito. Yes. Parang walang mga mobs ngayon. Parang walang mga mobs. Wala mga... Okay. So, aswerte ko yung first walang mobs and then the last diamond. Let's go! Finally found the first diamond and now makakompleto na natin ang full diamond armor. So, okay. I'll cut so we can go back to the base and more storage because my phone is gonna be full storage. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're finally back. And now, the most needed part. Full diamond armor, mga kaibigan. Mga Earth. Full diamond armor na tayo at kulang na lang yung tools. At feeling ko kaya ko na ata ma-handle yung mga nandoon. So guys, alam kong tapos na yung video kanina pa, pero gusto ko lang matuloy kasi ang dami ko nahanap na diamonds. So guys, thank you for watching. And sorry kung may dinagdag pa ako. Alam kong minsan gusto nyo matapos na agad yung video or para magawa yung assignment. So guys, Finally, full diamond armor na tayo. What an achievement for us. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a nice day and hope you enjoy this. So, thank you. Goodbye.